So folks, we've been playing around with a new fun tool called, actually a couple new fun tools called MentorMob, and then the other one is called BlendSpace. So we're using it for actually quite a few projects. You can see these are MentorMob playlists that are appearing here. We're going to go to the junior research paper. And you can explore through your MentorMob playlist by clicking ahead, or if you want to go very far and very fast, you can do this. Or you can just choose a module you want to just click on. So we're going to choose this, because over the last 2-3 weeks, we've been going into the classrooms and assessing students on their research skills. And we've been using mobile technology to do that. So in the 20-question assessment, this is how Ms. Cullen's first period class did. And you can see that they scored the lowest as a whole class on primary sources. But then the next one was question number 17, being able to distinguish objective reporting from opinion pieces. And then keyword searching was an area of concern, and also embedded references and determining purpose of an article. So all right, this is really what we need to work on, is what's down here. So let's say we want to go to learn some more about, let's choose keyword searching. So here is our lesson. This is question number 22 on keyword searching. And this was a question. The search strategy that will produce the most relevant results for does affirmative action promote reverse discrimination in higher education in a periodical database, i.e. national newspapers or master file Premier, is, and then you have 4 choices, A, B, C, D. And the answer is, and we went over this in class, is A. But if you'd like to learn more, here is a link to more information.
So you can start by going to the database
you can watch this video,
and entering
and
the high school's generic
that will
username
walk you
and
through
password.
a 3-minute video tutorial
Login.
on how to
Scroll down to
do better
master
keyword searching.
file Premier.
So let's go back to our MentorMob playlist, and let's look back to Ms. Cullen's class and see how she did. And we can come back up here. We have Cullen number 1, pre-test, and we can see what other areas of concern do we need to learn more about. I'm going to talk a little bit about, here we can go to the article on affirmative action. So the question was for that, this is number 17. So which of the following resources is likely to be the most objective and offer the most comprehensive overview of affirmative action? Well, we have our 4 choices here, and this little playlist in BlendSpace will walk us through what those resources are. So first we can ask ourselves, what does objective mean? And then we can go to the actual articles that were cited in that reference. So that's the first, that's choice A. This is choice B. This is choice C. And this is choice D. So those are our options. And here's a nice, good test to help us better understand which is the correct answer. Let's take a look at one more. Go back to Cullen, period 1. And we are going to look at embedded references. And that's number 14. So the question was, which of the following is the best way to reference this citation in a research paper? And here's the citation. And here are our choices. And let's click here to learn more. And again, we have another video.
What's wrong with this one is
and
that
it
explains
what is wrong with the ones that are incorrect and what is correct about the right ones. What I like about this tutorial is it also basically keeps the citation present the entire time, so you get to cross-reference what it would look like in the actual work cited as we work through that. So it compares the strengths and weaknesses of each of the different versions. So as you can see, this is a fun tool, and it's a really easy way to navigate. And actually one of the reasons we did this is because when we typically have blog posts in Blogger on the annex, they're very long. I mean, we have a lot of information that goes in here. This is still the same post. And the idea of using the playlist to consolidate all of that information, I think, is a really efficient way to present that information in a way that is a little bit more manageable and organized for the learner.